Good morning, children. So, here we are continuing with the second part of the chapter production. In the previous part, we did the meaning and definition of production and production management, and also we started off with the functions of production department. We discussed the flowchart that there are 10 functions of production department, out of which 5 parts we have already discussed in part 1, and the remaining 5 parts we will be doing in this video. Basically, whenever the long question comes, it comes for 5 marks and you have to explain any of the 5 points, but you need to prepare the content of all the 10 points, because many a times these are specifically asked as short questions. So therefore you need to know that what are the contents and explanation of each point. So we are continuing from the 6th point, because till 5th point we have already done in the previous video. The 6th function of production department is the layout of plant. Layout means is kind of a blueprint. Plant layout refers to the arrangement of machines and facilities in the factory. That means we are designing the plant, the appearance of the plant, that what are the machines will be required and what will be the sequences and facilities in the factory. The layout of the plant should be such as to maximize economy, that means least cost and maximum benefits, and efficiency of operations in the plant, that means producing better quality, better quantity in lesser time. An efficient layout is one that permits the most direct and rapid flow of materials through various stages in production process. So the best plant layout will be one where the materials, whether it is raw material or semi-finished or finished products or goods, follows very speedily, very rapidly, and very much freely from one stage to another stage. The type of layout to be adopted depends upon the type of production system. It depends upon the production system, that which production system you are following on the basis of that you can decide upon the plant layout. There are 3 types of layout, namely product layout, process layout, and fixed position layout. So the first layout is product layout. Under product layout, machines and equipments are arranged in order in which the product is to be produced. So under product layout, machines and equipments are arranged in such a order in which the product needs to be produced. For example, let us take the example of a cloth. So when we talk about a cloth, a shirt, let's say, it has to undergo a number of processes. For example, first the cotton needs to be weaved. So the first plant layout, the first machinery will be for weaving. Then second, maybe you are required to do the bleaching part. So the second machinery will be for bleaching. Then the third step might be for the stitching of shirt. Then the third machinery should be the third sequence should be stitching, and so on. Then in case of process layout, similar machines and equipment are grouped into one department, so that in each process department one particular type of operation is performed. So in case where the production is done in processes, similar machines and equipment are grouped into one department, so that in each process one particular type of operation is performed. Then the third plant layout is fixed position layout. So under fixed position layout, the necessary materials, machines and personnel are brought to one fixed site where the complete job is done. All the machine, equipment, everything is kept at one place, and the entire production work is done on that particular place. The 7th function of production department is the selection of plant and equipment, that is the tools. So the choice of plant and equipment depends upon several factors, such as the scale and quality of output desired, the cost and life of the machine, the adaptability of the equipment, availability or technical feasibility of the machine. So these are the factors on which the plant and equipments are selected. That means what is the quality of product you want to produce, what will be the quantity, how much you want to produce, then what is the life and cost of the machinery, etc. Whether you can expect or whether you can afford the expensive machinery or not, then whether you can adopt the new technology or not, etc. So these are the factors on which the selection of plant and equipment is done. The eighth function of production department is research and development department, that is R&D. It is one of the most important department in any organization because it keeps the organization growing. Continuing arrangements for research and development are required to make to make improvements in products, processes and equipment. Once deciding the product design and always producing according to the same particular design will not make the organization grow. So the organization needs to add something more again and again from time to time to help to sustain its customer. So for this purpose, R&D, research and development department plays a research and development function plays a very important role. Research implies scientific investigation and analysis in order to acquire new knowledge. Applied research is undertaken to evolve proper solution to practical problems through the collection and processing of relevant information. Development. Development succeeds applied research. It is concerned with the design and fabrication of new products or processes and then testing their usefulness, keeping in view the requirements of the customers of the plant. Basically, when the research is done, when the organization has identified that what new things can be added, proper solutions have been uh, implemented to solve various practical problems, the development of the product or the processes takes place and it tests whether the research have been implemented effectively or not. Another function of production department is manufacturing. Manufacturing here refers to the actual processing of materials and component parts so as to convert them into finished products. So in this function, the production department undertakes the practical process of producing the goods or the products and services. Generally, there are several processes which are employed in manufacturing. Several types of machines and equipments are used in a factory for manufacture of the desired product. A number of equipments and machinery are used in a factory to produce the desired product of the customer's needs by converting the raw materials into the finished and semi-finished products. And the last function of production department is the quality control. So production department is responsible for ensuring proper quality of goods manufactured in the factory. Right quality is essential for satisfying the customers and making good sales. Several techniques such as inspection, control charts, acceptance sampling, ISO certification, total quality management, that is TQM, etc. are employed for this purpose. So after the production has been done, everything has been done, layout has been decided, the step of the production department, the function of the production department is the quality control. It needs to check whether the quality so produced is is basically according to the standards which were decided or not, whether it meets the standards of the quality pre-decided, whether it is failing the quality or what the condition is. And for this purpose, sampling can be done to check the quality. ISO certification can be taken because it certifies the quality of the product, etc. So these are the functions of production department. I hope these are clear to you, children. On the basis of this part, you have to answer the following questions in your register. The first question is, what is plant layout. Explain its types. So for this you can refer to the point layout of plant, and you can write the meaning as plant layout refers to the arrangement of machines and facilities in the factory. This much will be the meaning. And while explaining the types, you will explain that there are three types of layout, namely product layout, process layout, and fixed position layout. And you will explain the meaning. That is, under product layout, machines and equipments are arranged in the order in which the product is to be produced. In case of process layout, similar machines and equipment are grouped into one department so that in each process department one particular type of operation is performed. And under fixed position layout, the necessary materials, machines and personnel are brought to one fixed site where the complete job is done. So this will be the answer to this question. The second question is, you have to write short notes on the following functions of the production department, that is selection of plant and equipment, research and development, manufacturing and quality control. So for this purpose you can refer to the points 7, selection of plant and equipment. This you can write as a short note. Then point 8, research and development. The explanation of this you can write as the short note. Then 9th, manufacturing. Its explanation can be written as a short note. And then lastly, quality control as a short note. So these are the questions which you are required to do in your register. Go through the video once again, part 1 and part 2 both. Revise the chapters, revise the content, complete all the written work, children, and do learning part also. Thank you, children. Take care.